Hello everyone, we're here again. So, if you were watching last week, I do apologise. I had taken the drums off. I expect you was all screaming at the telly. That's just lack of experience. So, instead of hitting them from the back, apparently you meant to hit them from the front. I didn't know that, so there we are. I'm getting new drums anyway, so that's fine. So we've got Matt here today. So what we're doing is we've gone through all the bearings, just done a bit of a chat. So now we're taking all the shoes off. So I'm going to go and have them all relined, so it's all good. So we only go in there once. Yeah, so we're just going through all the axles today. Got Matt is slaving away. So yeah, just getting stuff together, referring to the Bible a bit, because for some reason these hubs are further like twisted, but well, not twisted, but they sort of camber a bit. But we've recently worked out in the Bible, it says that for a twin wheel they have a 1 degree camber on them. So that made me feel bad, because I thought I was going to have to get, might have been the axle might have been bent, but it's the same both sides, so must marry up. So yeah, we're just going through my box of bits as well, what we've got and what we need to get. So yeah. Oh yeah, I need some more backing plates. So now we got the shoes off, we can get and have a look at them. So I might have to cross references with a 3 series, like I said before. But yeah.
These nuts are 18 now.
Are they? What? Was that bigger?
Smaller.
Smaller?
These are 19, these are.
Built right, see?
Oh, that's bigger now. I've just put one size tap in.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, that's like 14mm thread now.
Yeah.
That looks like a 10. So just put 2 bolts, screw the bolts in and push it off.
Oh, I see, yeah. Like you do with the drums.
Yeah. Not usually over that bad. A bit of noise there.
No, Matt?
Yep. God, what have they done to that?
We butchered that one, haven't they, Matt?
Fucking hell. Jesus.
Yeah, must have been in there with an axe.
Ain't got no tools, just an axe.
Bloody hell.
Well, I've never seen anything as bad as that. That's really bad.
You need a new nut for there then.
Yeah. I expect they'd just turn it round. Looks like it all the way around. God, they must have beat the crap out of it.
Why was that? Because they'd seize, would they?
No, they probably didn't have the socket because it's 8-sided.
Oh, I see what you're saying, yeah.
So they probably didn't have the socket for it.
So they had a chisel instead.
Yeah.
And a grinder.
And a grinder. Well, I don't know if they were that sophisticated.
Oh, the joys. So here we go, another day. So this is the bank holiday weekend of the Jubilee. Sorry, Queenie, but we got a 2 series to build. So I've got all new brake drums for it. Managed to find the rear ones with the 5-inch shoes. Got shoes and for drive, and I got pads for the front and rear. Luckily where I work they've got a proper riveting machine so we can swap the pads over. So yeah, and then once that's done, I got another load of parts on order as well. Back plates, bearings that we needed, track rod ends. I haven't ordered the kingpins yet as they need the axle number, so that's fair enough. See if I can find that. So yeah, I always make a plan, but the plan never goes right. So we're just going to see how we get on today. But what I'd like to do is I'm going to drill out all the holes for the brackets. So we're going to mount the battery box and everything, drill all the holes out, get all that done, so that's ready. And then we got to weld the nuts on there. Got 2 brackets for me mudguards, crank ones, so they should fit like that. I know they're not original, I know, but something like that. So we got everything lined up, steps, battery box.